What's the meaning of clamber? Clamber. Clamber.
Clamber. Clamber. Clamber means to climb or move awkwardly and with difficulty, using both hands and feet. The result of clambering is often a messy, ungraceful ascent or movement that requires effort and balance. Clambering can involve a lot of physical exertion and may require the use of one's muscles and agility to navigate challenging terrain or obstacles. Despite its challenges, clambering can also be a rewarding experience, as it allows individuals to push themselves beyond their comfort zones and achieve new heights.